Ndeewo. Hello everyone, welcome back to I Love Igbo channel. Kedu Kimere? I hope you are doing very fine. For me, I'm doing very fine. My name is Onyi and this is I Love Igbo channel, so you're welcome. Today we're going to learn colors in Igbo language. Colors in Igbo language, okay? But before we begin, if you haven't subscribed to this amazing channel, please do me a favor, click the subscribe button and also turn on your notifications so that whenever we upload a new video, you'll be the first person to receive it, okay? Ndeewo. If you've subscribed already, thank you so much for subscribing, and thank you for joining the community. Thank you for returning back. All right, like I said before, we're going to learn colors. Color means agwa. Agwa, okay? Color is agwa in Igbo. You know, not the normal agwa food we eat. You know, when it comes to food, agwa means beans. But here we are talking about colors. Color is agwa. Now, if you want to say, tell me the color of this cup, the cup on the screen. Tell me the color of this cup. You say, Gwam agwa iko anacha. Gwam agwa iko anacha. You know, cup itself is iko. But because you're asking a question, you say iko. Alright? Gwam agwa iko anacha. And then in response to that, you say iko nacha agwa red. Iko nacha agwa. Then you mention the color. Okay? So what is red in Igbo language? That is what we are coming to learn today. Alright, so red means meme. 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 Or obara obara. Obara obara. Obara obara. Okay? Meme or obara obara. So iko nacha meme. The cup is red in color, or this cup is color red. So iko nacha meme or iko nacha obara obara. Okay? So the next is black. Black. Oji. Black is OG. Anything black, anything dark is OG. OG. Black, OG. White is Ocha. 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 For example, Gwam agwa. Aqua nacha. The aqua on the screen. Gwam agwa. Aqua nacha. Tell me the color of this fabric, the color of this clothes. You know, aqua is fabric, right? Any kind of fabric. Aqua is clothes. So, gwam agwa, aqua. Remember, you do aqua because you're asking a question. Gwam agwa, aqua nacha. Aqua nacha agwa ocha. Good. So, anything white is ocha. Ocha. Okay? So, gray is ntu. Gray. Ntu. Gray. Ntu. Pink is ire. Pink. Ire. Pink. Ire. Pink. Ire. Color pink. Agwa ire. Alright? Ire. Pink. So blue is anono. Anono. Alright? Then orange is nchara. Or popo. Orange is nchara. Or popo. Orange, nchara. Or popo. Okay? So brown is aja. Brown, aja. brown, aja, 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 brown. Purple, odo, 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 purple, odo, odo, purple, odo, odo, purple, odo, odo. Yellow, edo, edo, yellow, edo, edo, agwa, edo, edo, color yellow or yellow color. So edo, edo, yellow, edo, edo, yellow. Okay, so green is ndu, ndu, green, ndu, ndu, or akwụkwọ ndụ, akwụkwọ ndụ. So you can say akwụkwọ ndụ, akwụkwọ ndụ, or ndu, ndu. That is green, ndu, ndu. All right. Gold is ọlaedo, ọlaedo, gold, ọlaedo, gold, ọlaedo. Silver, ọlaọcha, silver, ọlaọcha, silver, ọlaọcha. All right, so that is it, guys, for today's lesson on colors in Igbo language. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up by liking this video, and also share this video to your friends. Okay, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and see you some other time. Aha m bụ Onyi. Ka ọ dị ụbọchị ọzọ.